Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for DOT. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. And we can plot in a zone, and we notice that price is reacting as resistance in between 43.34 and 37.46. So we also notice a key level right here. This monthly key level acted as resistance over here, and we notice it was acting as support over here, right around the 6.29 level. Now we also have a swing low right here, where price hit and reversed drastically, right around 412. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. Now, here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can see our monthly level is just above the weekly closes. So we're going to go ahead and move our level down to the closes, right around the 5.91 level. And we can see more clearly how our monthly swing low got respected from all of these weekly candles with long wicks before reversing drastically to the upside. Now, we also notice a key level right here at 9.12. So we see price come up, holding this level as support before breaking up drastically. And as we see price come back down, hit and reverse, we now see the level acting as resistance. We also notice a reaction to the level here before price broke right through. Now we can also notice a key level right here, where we can see multiple reactions to the level, acting as support, acting as support, acting as resistance, and flipping back over to support right around 1625. We can also plot in a key level right here, where we notice multiple reactions acting as resistance and support right around 24.29. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our monthly and weekly key levels. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.